Grand Khalifa, Jaisalmer, and it is just beside the fort. So actually the fort can be seen from here. So let's check in. Entry of the hotel. The best part is that it's got a huge car park. This is how we enter. सर होटल का लुक बहुत ही अच्छा है, बहुत ही बढ़िया होटल का लुक. This is the reception and this is the sitting area, and then the rooms are all on top. So we are here for 2 nights, and then we're going to stay 1 night in their luxury camp. That's called the Grand Khalifa Luxury Camp. So this is the second floor lobby, and that's how it is, the reception, and then need to come upstairs this way. So we have a person. नाम बता दो आपका.
मेरा नाम सद्दाम है.
Saddam is very helpful, and this is Maharaja room, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we've got the Maharaja room or the suite, whatever we say. First, okay, this is the luggage area. King size washroom, my goodness. It's really grand. The name is Grand Khalifa, and it's doing absolute justice to the entire ambience and the decor of the hotel. Built with pure yellow sandstone. It's a huge cupboard, a huge seating area there. Excellent, I would say. The best part is the fort. So this is a swimming pool, and okay, ऊपर restaurant है क्या?
पूरा रेस्टोरेंट है.
अच्छा, that's a restaurant on top. This is a rooftop restaurant. We wanted exactly like this when we planned for Jaisalmer. That should be beside the fort, and it should be having an open air restaurant. This is how it is. That's the fort. So one can sit here, enjoy food, and enjoy the magnificent view of this golden fort. So first night in Jaisalmer started with what? Famous lal mas and roti. Sitting in front of the fort, rooftop, extreme cold, and enjoying the best of lal mas. Good morning, namaskara and namaste everyone. A very good morning from Jaisalmer. So last night we reached here and we checked in. This is the hotel, I think I've shown, and that's the fort, Golden Fort behind me. So today's plan is like we are heading towards the Tanot Mata Mandir to pay a visit, and then we're going to go to the Longewala or the border, whichever we think it's earlier. So Tanot Mata, India Park border, and the Longewala, these three will cover up in the morning. So now is the breakfast time. The breakfast is going to be served in the restaurant here behind me. He's Khan Saab.
Thank you.
And
Most welcome to the.
I think he has got a great sense of hospitality,
Thank you, ji.
extremely courteous.
Most
Yesterday
welcome.
he has given us the best of food, I would say. The lal mas sir was awesome. मतलब top class था.
Thank you, ji.
मैंने जयपुर में खाया था, बट लेकिन यहाँ का टेस्ट बिल्कुल अलग है
Thank you, ji.
जो आपने बनाया है. तो आज ब्रेकफास्ट में क्या है सर?
आज ब्रेकफास्ट में स्पेशल यहाँ का दाल पकवान है.
वाओ,
स्पेशल यहाँ का आलू पराठा है.
अच्छा,
फ्रूट है, चाय है, कॉफ़ी है. You will eat much you want.
चलो, थैंक यू
On
सर.
food.
होम फूड थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू, चलिए ओके। दाल पकवान he just making, and Khan Sahib has got some fresh aloo paratha. I'm sure it's going to be excellent to the core. So this is dal pakwan. So ये क्या है, किस रोटी से बताया आपने? चावल की रोटी से, and with all of these ingredients, चटनी, लहसुन की चटनी, दूसरी चटनी जो भी है, प्याज, टमाटर, लेमन, कोरिएंडर मिला के ये बन गया दाल पकवान, राइट
जी।
फैंटास्टिक। और बाकी आज इसमें पोहा है क्या?
इसमें पराठे हैं,
ओके।
और पोहे हैं, ये टोस्ट ब्रेड है, जूस है, चौको, कॉर्नफ्लेक्स,
और हाँ हाँ, जिसको जो चाहिए।
यहाँ का फेमस स्वीट है ना, क्या जसदारी।
अच्छा, किससे बनता है?
ये देसी घी से
हाँ,
और दूध से।
अच्छा।
इसका जो दूध आता है ना, उससे खमन बनता है ये।
ओह।
यहाँ का फेमस स्वीट है।
फैंटास्टिक फैंटास्टिक।
प्लीज।
हाँ, तुम्हारा वीडियो भी आएगा, इधर आओ,
आप बैठो उसके बाद बेटा।
इधर आओ। ये नाम बताओ। Swastik. He's in second standard. It seems he makes his own videos. He makes vlog.
He's very happy.
Imagine. I'm sure मैं तो कुछ बन नहीं पाया YouTube में, but I'm sure you're going to become a very big YouTuber in future.
Yes.
हाँ?
अरे
स्वस्तिक।
Dancing.
ये जो आप ये बनाते रहते हो, आप ये वीडियोस
हम्म
बनाते रहते हो,
हम्म।
यूट्यूब पर आप शेयर भी तो कर सकते हो उसको।
YouTube तो है,
हाँ,
YouTube चैनल में डालता हूँ।
डालते हो।
हाँ, YouTube चैनल है,
नाम क्या है?
बताऊँगा, रुको। मुझे अभी 1 सब्सक्राइबर मिलेगा अभी तुमसे। हाँ
वाइस वर्सा।
हाँ, आप मुझे दोगे? ठीक है, चलो चैनल एक्सचेंज करो आप अभी। वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। हाँ, मस्त है, ऐसा होना चाहिए। चलो, टेक केयर, लेट्स हैव फूड नाउ।
Enjoy with the lovely breakfast.
थैंक यू। We had to make a stop to take a quick picture. It's beautiful. This road is just beautiful. We are 17 minutes before the mandir. From Tanat Mata, you actually get the pass to visit the India Park border. But we have taken the India Park border pass online just to save time. You have to just go to Tanot Trust. There's a website. Scroll down. You will find the link to book the pass online. We just spotted a wild camel. Just enjoying his meal with some fresh leaves. We just reached Tanot Mata Mandir, and we'll have to park and get inside. There's a very interesting history about this place, so when I get inside, I'll let you know about that. Well, so when we enter, we have to keep our shoes there. There's a place there to keep the shoes. When you walk here, there's an audio-visual hall and weapon display. There's one more temple here. There's Prachin Kuan, and this is the temple. This temple has got a very, very strong history and a miracle. It's believed that she's goddess of war. I mean, she protects our territory. In 1965 and 1971, it seems Pakistanis have dropped many bombs here, but none of them exploded. So they still have those bombs kept in the museum beside. So this is the belief that the power of goddess Tanot Mata has been protecting us, and that's why this temple is being managed by the armed forces. So after finishing the visit at Tanot Mata, we are heading towards the border in the park. So there's something about the pass, online pass. Although we had made the online pass, but it seems online there should be a provision to input the vehicle number and driver number. So we didn't get all of this one. So we came here. So beside the temple there is a counter. So one must visit there. Check your online pass with them. They'll probably give you a form, manual form. Enter the details of the visitors. In fact, the Aadhaar card number, phone number, vehicle number, and then he'll just stamp and give you. And then when you start going towards the border, there'll be a check post who will check your pass and then let you get inside. This is a process. So just a quick update on this. This is the border. Bauliwan border is the India Park border, and that's where you can see one watchtower. So here's the parking, and then one should get inside and then start exploring the place. Well, so the place is like this. Parking is that side. We come here. There's a watchtower. Watchtower means for visitors. And there's a stone over here, very clearly written. And this is the basically border. We should not take any picture of this gate and people standing here. In fact, our soldiers. So we was told that there far we can see those fences. That's where is our Indian border. After that, 150 meters, there'll be one stone which is basically the LOC. And beside the stone, I mean on either side, there'll be 150 meters, the fencing for the Pakistanis. This is how the border is laid out. There's some refreshment here. One needs to enjoy refreshment, tea, coffee, can actually have. So the watchtower which you can climb up. So after the border visit, we have come to the point of Tanot Mata Mandir, and from here we have to go straight for the Longewala. Longewala is showing 39 kilometers, and Sam, I mean the place where you have sand dunes, 150 kilometers. This is the Longewala War Memorial, and as I said that this is the 1971 when Pakistan attacked us with some 2,000 soldiers, and India fought back with just 120 soldiers. Whole night they fought, and they ensured that they secured our land. So this is where the fight happened. Let's go inside and see the memorial. Let's go inside. I'm at Longewala, India Park, War 1971. This is basically the exact spot where the battle happened. So it's called Longewala Yudh Sthal. So the movie called Border, if people know, was based on this particular battle. So go watch that movie to see how the battle was fought. In fact, there are those confiscated weapons and tankers which was done that time. That's again a confiscated tank. Destroyed Pakistan T-59 tank. You can see those trucks which came in from Pakistan and all destroyed and just left like that and gone. We also have the bunkers which was used that time, and the trench which we can see. So this is the entry to the bunkers and the trenches which was done that time. So once you come here, you can actually feel, you know, the depth of I would say struggle that our armed forces go through safeguarding us. So salute to our armed forces always. So look at the message. When you go home, tell them of us and say that for your tomorrow we gave our today. Again, salute to our armed forces. There's a good cafeteria here, so I'm sure anyone wants to have lunch or snacks, they can get in. Thari's Patwa Haveli welcomes you. So we have come to the Patwa Haveli. This is one of the heritage palace. So we have taken a guide.
सबसे पहले थैंक यू। मेरा नाम संजय, महाभारत रंगी आज वाला। आप जहाँ खड़े हो हमारे शहर का सबसे सुंदर मोनूमेंट्स, इस मोनूमेंट्स का नाम है पटवा की हवेली।
अच्छा।
बड़े मकान को बोलते हैं हवेली। पटवा इज द टाइटल्स गिव बाय किंग।
Okay.
पटवा मीन्स इन ओल्डन टाइम मेक टू ऑर्नामेंट्स। तो उस जमाने में लोग जो रजवाड़ों की सिल्वर का गोल्ड का ज्वेलरी बनाते थे उनको पटुए पटवारी के नाम से। उस जमाने का ड्रेसिंग एंड चेंजिंग रूम से 150 years old made in UK विल्सन कंपनी के शूइंग मशीन्स एंड वेट मशीन्स एंड कूल मशीन एंड कैरोसिन ऑपरेट मशीन्स। ईरान ऑफ द कैरोसिन से सब पता। सिल्वर के पॉट्स मिलेंगे तो सिल्वर की कंगीज मिलेंगी, बॉम्ब्स।
अच्छा।
ये यहाँ की फेमस साड़ियाँ बंदेज, बांगी, कोटा, ढोलिया, लहंगा। हमारे बड़े हर चीज़ चांदी यहाँ का फेमस, चांदी कपड़ा पत्थर। और बेड कवर्स यहाँ का फेमस वर्क, इस वर्क का नाम है पैच वर्क। पीसेस काटा और ऐड कर दिया। ऊपर लकड़ी का वर्क देखो आप, बट ये वर्क नया है तो आज भी ऐसी आर्ट और कला जिंदा है।
ये हवेली कितना साल पुराना?
200 साल।
200 years old Haveli. This is a kitchen. पुराने ज़माने का किचन। अच्छा।
लकड़ी जलाते थे। इसी धुआं पर।
So Sanjay sir has taken us to the rooftop of Patwa ki Haveli. He want to show us the, I would see Jaisalmer Fort from here, where the famous movie Sunar Killa, as he was saying, was shot here. That's one of the reasons why Jaisalmer has become so famous.
सुबह मिलूंगा 8 बजे मैं आपको।
Good morning, namaskara and namaste everyone. So today is the third day in Jaisalmer and we have come to see the Golden Fort here. So since it's a huge fort, it's a living fort, we chose to take a guide who will tell us everything about this place. So we have Mr. Rajat. We can start.
Good morning everybody, and you are at the place which is known as a Jaisalmer nowadays, but earlier it was known as a Jaisalmeru. Meru means a sand hill and Jaisal was the name of the king. So I am talking about the 1000-year back when these Rajput warriors, they want a place to secure their family and their progeny basically. So they found a place where they found a tough rock hill in between the dunes as well as a water source on the top of the site. When they found the water source, they like to start the civilization from this place, because this place was highly secure. So now the first man who came to this part was Maharaval Jaisal Singh Bhati. On the name of that guy, we know this place Jaisalmer. The record date of this place is 12th July 1156. It means from last 870 years, single family, they are ruling over here. So the height of the fort is like 272 feet up from sea level. And the radius of the fort is like 3.5 kilometers. The second largest fort in Rajasthan after Chittorgarh. When you are going to see Chittorgarh, that is 5.11 kilometers.
This is the only gate to enter the fort. Due to security, they have kept only one gate to enter and one gate to exit.
Yes.
So Akhe Pol is the name. And since there are 4 gates, right?
There are 4 gates to pass through.
Okay.
The first and the second was built in 1723.
Okay.
At that time, the ruling king was Maharaja Lakhai Singh Ji.
Okay.
So the first gate is known as a Akhai Prol,
Okay.
and the second one is known as a Sun Gate.
Okay.
When sun rise from the east, the first rays come to that part. Until sun will be in the sky, you will get the sunlight over there. The architecture is accordingly.
Okay. So we are buying the pagri, which is iconic in Jaisalmer or Jaipur or Rajasthan, you may say. So we're buying 3 of us a pagri. Now you take my video when I'm wearing my pagri. It's on already. Colorful, sir. How's it? Good, right? अब आता है सर मज़ा.
Yes, sir.
ये पगड़ी पहन के ना मतलब मज़ा आता है.
I look like a Rajasthani guy now.
एकदम हाँ हाँ. चलिए.
And before this central jail, I like to show you a tower. A tower is known as one of the king's name, Barisal Tower, but this was earlier a dark dry well.
Okay.
If someone do some wrong in the ruling time, so they tie that guy with the sack of the salt and drop that guy, push that guy into this well. If there is a death, so the salt decompose the body. No need to carry out. This one, very in front of you, is the second gate is known as a sun gate.
Suraj Pol.
Yeah, the architecture is accordingly. The sun rays comes from east in the morning time, and till sun will be in the sky, you will get the sunlight over there.
Okay.
So now we are at the place which is known as the third gate of this fort. In terms of your walking, this is the third gate. But it was the first gate of the fort when it was started by Maharaja Jaisal Singh Bhati, because he was a Hindu Rajput warrior. So he do the ritual of Lord Ganesha here and then start the construction from this part only. The 870-year-old gate like this. Just take a look. Oldest part of the fort.
Sir.
So now we reach to the fourth one. The fourth is known as a windy gate. Windy gate means the architecture of the gate belongs to North Pole to South Pole. So the natural scientific reason of wind blowing is from north to south, south to north. So 24 hours you will get the air over here. Otherwise the place is quite cool in this part. So that's why they named accordingly Windy Gate, Hawa Prol, the fourth one. Before this gate, I like to show you one window above. Just take a look. A big Jharokha. Earlier it was a messenger window for this royal family. If they have given the ceremony, so they like to blow the drums. So downtown people, they come to know there is a ceremony given by this royal family, and they come and they dressed according to their cattle. And then they came in. And if there is a chance of war, so they like to blow a long pipe. It's known as a Ranbheri. So all the downtown people came in, door was closed by the royal family, and they saved inside. Passing through from the 4 gates, now we reach to the main square of the fort. Earlier it was known as a Dashera Chowk. It means in the olden time, these Rajput warriors, they like to celebrate all the Hindu festivals in this part. Okay. This fort is the undefeated fort basically. But we fought with them, so our few fighters, they gone die at that time. So the fighters, those belongs to the royal family, their ladies, they sacrificed their life after the death of their husband. So they given the handprints over there on the wall.
Okay.
And then they jump into the fire tanks. So all type of rituals, traditions and festivals was happened in this square.
Okay.
And at that time the ruling king used to sit up there on the throne. And then downside on the stairs, there are white marble chairs. And downside on the stairs, all the staff members, and they used to celebrate like this. In this square, I like to show you 2 more big buildings very in front of you. The very in front of you is the King Palace.
Okay,
On your right hand side is the Queen Palace.
Okay.
So we are in the Heritage Street where the 80% economy comes from tourism only.
Okay, yeah.
So that's why when you walk or pass through from here, the front part of the house is converted into the shop and rest is for the living like this.
Okay. So this is our next point, city view with Canon.
Canon.
Okay. You can start.
The fort is very famous after 1974 because at that time the Satyajit Ray, he choose this place to make one of the film is known as a Sonar Killa. And then after, from that day to till today, the tourists they are coming. So now we are at the place. I like to show you why we called this city Sonar City or Sonar Killa. Just take a look downside. All the houses is made with the yellow sandstone, and when sunlight comes on it, it looks like a gold. That's why the city is known as a golden city, and the fort is known as a golden fort of India.
Okay. This is a cannon which used to be there to fire. Yeah.
So as I told you, after 15th century, like Mughals, when they entered into the India, so they know us about the gunpowder cannons and guns like that. So this is a cannon which is situated like fixed here in nearby 17 or 17 and a half century. Cannon is totally made with the iron. Okay, earlier it was in position to move, like 180 degree they can move and fire accordingly. The fire goes to 1.8 miles, almost 1.5 kilometers from here. And we are very in front of the Jain temples. If this property belongs to the Rajput warrior, how the Jains they came in and they built such a beautiful temples like this.
So this is called Mukul's Bari. It is a part of that.
74.
Yeah.
Satyajit Ray was looking for a story, for a place, for a rebirth story. So there was a Mukul and he told that I was earlier lived in one of the Sonar Killa. And my body, like body means home, is there in that golden fort.
ये साइड सर आईटीसी ग्रुप को लीज पर दे दिया है और एक साइड म्यूजियम बना दिया
तो नाम क्या होटल का?
मंदिर पैलेस
नहीं, होटल का मंदिर.
हाँ मंदिर पैलेस
It's called. So this is the hotel, ITC Hotel, Mandir Palace, right? So this is the inside the Mandir Palace, which is for visitors. There are some old antique stuff kept here. And when we come inside, we see these the huge pots, which probably used to be for cooking. So we have checked out from a hotel, Grand Khalifa, which was in the city, and we are now heading towards the camp, desert camp. So we're going to stay one night in the desert camp, enjoy the activities which are basically sand dune, visit camel safari and stuff like that. And then in the evening, I'm sure they're going to have a lot of folk music and other activities. So it should take about 40 minutes from here to go, and on the way we'll halt in a place called Kuldhara. When I reach Kuldhara, I'll give you details about the place. That's supposed to be a haunted village, so we'll visit that and then we'll continue towards our camp. There's a stone which tells the story. Let me hold it for a while, the camera here. You guys can read, let me not read out. Okay, so these are the abandoned houses, and Jisa has downloaded an app. It's an app, right?
EMF reader.
EMF reader
What is the full form of
is basically to read or probably detect any paranormal activities. Imagine, we told her so much about this place, so she has taken down something to see if she can spot or hear or sense through the device.
I don't know if it's real. Disha, don't go.
She's checking if there's any paranormal activities. Yeah. So there are some more houses this side. Anyway, it's nothing much. So this is the again haunted lane. We can keep walking and trying to figure out these broken houses. So let's go to the next point, which is the desert camp where we're going to stay. So the places where you have all the desert camps in a row. There are many desert camps, so people want to choose the camps accordingly. ग्रैंड खलीफा लेट ले लिया मैंने एक पत्थर के एक मतलब ऑफ रोड है ना ऑफ रोड चलो मैं ये फॉलो करता ठीक है ओके थैंक यू After the check-in formality in the camp, we are heading towards our cottage basically. So the property looks excellent. This is how. So this is the reception, and I've shown anyway where we entered from. Sir, ये क्या है? Restaurant है क्या? Dining hall है. This is the dining hall. Let me show you also. I think why we chose this place because this is little out of those busy camps which I just showed you. There are many such camp near the sand dunes. So back to back. So it's like too busy. I mean too crowded rather. So we thought we'll just come to a peaceful and a good luxury place because we get all the amenities properly. So 4:20 is when we're going to have the jeep. The jeep will take us to the dunes. So there are activities in the dunes. And after finishing the activities in the dunes, we're going to come back here. And I think that time they do a formal welcome. And then evening we're going to have dinner, some entertainments, going to be here. And you can just be yourself. So these are the cottages. So I think our cottage is the first one. And there are many such cottages. They also have a swimming pool, if I'm not mistaken, which was recently built. I'll see if I can just show you how it looks like. Let me go from here. This is where I think all the activities happen in the evening and people will be seated here. So I'll show you the evening view as well. Here's the pool. The grass is artificial though, but anyway, it doesn't matter as long as it has a green patch. Open the door. Okay. It's not automatic. Someone is just hiding behind to open the door. This is how the room looks like. You not put the lights?
It is on. You can't make it.
Okay. Excellent, I would say. Very warm. This side we have a seating area. There's a table out here. There's an outdoor seating area as well. Let me show you that. This is really fantastic. This gives that Dubai feel. So evening it will have a different feel altogether. Excellent. And it's just in the middle of nowhere. Oh, now let me just show the washroom once again. Washroom time. Washroom is also very luxurious. Wow. Excellent. What's the door all about? Okay, this seems to be an outdoor shower. Wow. Open air. So let's wait for the jeep to come and then we go and do the activities. in the desert. So we've just boarded our jeep for the jeep safari, and we are going towards the dunes to do dune activities. Off-roading. थोड़ा आराम से ना भैया, को अगर नहीं है off-roading. So now we're going to do dune bashing. Okay, the jeep will do off-roading. Just hold me. Just hold both sides. Hold my leg. Oh, this is one activity. Oh, now it's going to go down. My goodness. Hey, yo. It's going to go down steep. It is steep. Oh. Hurry! So Bajrangi Bhaijan shooting, right? So that while he'll be crossing the border, that was actually made here, artificially. This is how it was made here. So now let's continue. Okay, so now we're going to ride the ATV. First he was riding, and it's like an amazing rider. My goodness, we just almost lost our heart. Anyway, so now we're going to drive and he's going to take a video. भैया ये ऑन है, खाली आप ले लो, खाली इसको दबाना बस.
ये एक्सीलरेटर, ये ब्रेक.
Oh, so after the deadly ATV ride, where we almost lost our life, now the time for camel ride. So this is a part of the package. So one camel can take 2 people. I'll be going separate in this camel. Although I don't like riding on animals, but it's just an experience. Okay, so that's called the launch of a camel. The camel. हाँ सर आता हूँ.
मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है.
अरे डर लगने का क्या है वो? रुको. This ride is too uncomfortable. So people behind me are screaming. Even I'm also not comfortable. भैया एकदम धीरे. हाँ, फर्स्ट गियर पे जाना आप, ठीक है? और ज़्यादा दूर मत जाना, क्योंकि सुनो, ज़्यादा दूर मत जाना. तुम्हारा नाम? हाँ, अस्कर. देखो थोड़ा ज़्यादा हिल रहा है ये एकदम. बट अभी जो हिल रहा है ना, ये भी थोड़ा सा हम हिल रहे हैं. अरे नाम फाम छाड़ो, उसको डर आ रहा है. फोन छोड़ो, अभी फोन उठाने का चाहिए नहीं है. मेरा आ रहा, चल तुम चलो. अरे कुछ काम करनी है अभी. कॉल ये काम का भी यही है जो हम कर रहे हैं अभी. हाँ, घूमने आए हैं हम लोग, बैंगलोर से आए हैं. हाँ, I don't know how people used to ride on camel, crossing the border for several days. I don't know how. My goodness. So this is the place where everyone comes for jeep ride, ATV ride, camel ride, and enjoy the sunset. After the sunset, people all go back to their respective camps and enjoy the evening there. I think in a while we're going to see the sunset. This is the evening in Grand Khalifa luxury camp. We just came back from the sand dunes, and you've seen we've done a lot of activities there. And now as the evening setup is like this, so we have the musical folk singers here. So every cottage has got a exclusive sitting area here. So we have got our sitting area in the front, the first one. And evening they'll serve snacks, and then dinner is a part of the package as well. Good morning, Namaskara and Namaste everyone. Today is 2nd of December. We are checking out from our camp in Jaisalmer, Grand Khalifa luxury camp. We stayed here for one night, and previous 2 nights we were in the city, the same Grand Khalifa hotel. Now we're heading towards Udaipur. We have to go via Jodhpur, and it should take about 10 hours as per Google. So the stay was nice, everything was very, very good. So let's now go and check out Udaipur. Continue watching for this amazing road trip, Bangalore to Rajasthan.